plant cannabis seeds indoors, first soak the seeds in lukewarm tap water for 12 hours. Discard any seeds that float to the top. Then, place the seeds on a damp paper towel on a plate with 1 inch, 2.5 centimeters of space between each seed. Cover the seeds with another damp paper towel. Keep the seeds in a spot that remains between 70 and 80 degrees Fahrenheit, 21 and 27 degrees Celsius, and spray the paper towels with water whenever they start to dry out. The seeds will sprout in 2 to 3 days. When they do, fill pots or a growing tray 3/4 of the way with loose potting soil. Be sure that it has a pH between 5.8 and 6.3. Press the soil down lightly, leaving some air in it. Then, use a pencil to poke 1 inch, 2.5 centimeter holes in the soil. Place the sprouted seeds vertically in the holes and fill the holes with potting soil. Water the soil thoroughly and place the pots or tray in a spot that's always 75 degrees Fahrenheit, 24 degrees Celsius, or warmer. Set up a grow light over the seeds and leave it on at all times. Water the seeds every day so the soil doesn't dry out. The seedlings will emerge in 2 to 4 weeks.